Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you one of our favorite shrimp recipes. It's absolutely delicious and it only has 4 ingredients in it, so it's super simple. It's one of those things that we like to cook about once a week. Anytime we make it for anyone, they want the recipe because it is so delicious and so easy. Let me tell you what's all in it. First off, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to go to your local seafood market or your seafood department in your local grocery store, and we're going to get 2 pounds of the 21 to 25 count shrimp. You want to make sure that you buy fresh shrimp that still have the peeling and the tails on them. Then you're going to get 6 fresh lemons, slice those down. You're going to have 1 stick of butter that we're going to melt, and then there's 2 packs of dry Italian seasoning. Next, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to put it all together. All right, now I'm going to show you how we put all this together. First, you're going to melt your butter. I always just put it in a little container, put it in the microwave, and you're going to put it in a 15 by 10 baking dish. You can use a jelly roll pan also if you don't have a larger casserole. So first off, you're going to pour your butter in your pan. And then we're going to put the shrimp. You want to make sure that you layer your shrimp. You don't want them on top of each other because you want to make sure that all the seasonings get good in the shrimp. This is one of those really simple recipes I think you'll really enjoy if you like shrimp. It almost has a scampi-like taste. It's very, very simple and very delicious. All right, I'm going to finish putting my shrimp in the pan. Make sure you get it in there where the butter can get to them. All right, and next we're going to take our dry Italian seasoning mix, and you want to make sure that you coat this evenly over the shrimp. That way, you know, it gets in all the flavors. And like I said, I used 2 packs of this dry Italian mix. All right, that's looking good. All right, and now we're going to finish, once I get the rest of this on, with your fresh lemon. And there again, you're going to want to lay the lemons like so. You want to make sure that you get them over all the shrimp. This is one of those really simple, really delicious recipes, especially if you're a shrimp lover like we are in our family. All right, we got our oven preheated and we're about to put this in the oven. And go ahead and put these last few slices on. All right, that looks good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. We're going to put it in a 400-degree oven. You're going to put it in for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. You know, it varies, of course, by your oven, but you want to make sure the shrimp have a pink color to it, and you don't want to overcook them. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven. Okay, y'all, we're going to put this in the oven, again, at 400 degrees on the middle rack. Put it in and let it cook. Again, we're going to do it for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, everyone, our shrimp is now out of the oven and it looks delicious. and it smells wonderful. You can always pair it with a nice Sauvignon Blanc or a Chardonnay or any white wine of your choice. So I really hope you enjoy this. I hope you'll try the recipe and give me your feedback on it. And I really hope that y'all have a great evening, and thanks for watching. Cheers.